We are pleased to show you the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.